The same thing which I have mentioned here, the entire solid, not it is like symmetric sphere, okay? The symmetric sphere, either it is solid, hollow, whatever else. If point is outside, then I can assume what I am assuming that entire charge is assumed to be concentrated at the center. Okay. So write down first shell theorem for any outside point. For any outside point, a uniformly very very important, a uniformly charged spherical shell. Okay, we are saying shell also, or sphere, spherical shell. Shell means outside body. Spherical surface na. Sometimes we are saying spherical shell. Okay. Behaves behave as if this is spherical shell. Okay, this shell. A uniformly charged spherical shape behaves as if its whole charge is concentrated at its center. Okay. Clear? This is first shell theorem. Spherical shell. This shell is spherical. Are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir, understood.
Or simply saying?
No, sir, understood.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now this is second shell theorem. Okay. This is spherical Gaussian surface inside spherical Gaussian surface. Okay. Now, what we have observed, all right, this is simply second shell theorem. Right now, second shell theorem. According to this theorem, right now, electric field at any inside point due to uniformly charged spherical shell is zero. Clear? Concept is clear or not? Because this is very important, like uniformly charged sphere. Understood?
Okay, sir.
This is second shell theorem.
Yeah.
Understood?
Understood.
Okay.